Did somebody say glitch deal at Kroger?
Let's go!
Okay, so here is the deal. The ultra strong bath tissue from Kroger that's regularly priced $7.49, that's on sale for buy one get one free, is on weekly digital for $3.99. So we should be able to get 10 of these when pay for 5 at $3.99. So $2 roughly each, right, Carmen?
Yeah.
Okay, she is literally in her PJs. We dropped our big kids off and we're running into Kroger to do this deal to make sure it works for you. So we're gonna check this out. All right, we have 10 of them. We're gonna do this. So we have a second glitch deal that is not quite as good, but it's still not a bad deal. We have this all liquid laundry detergent. It is the 36 ounce. It's regularly priced $6.49, which is crazy. It's on sale for $5.99. It's part of the weekly digital for $3.99. It's also a part of the mega sale from last week, and they haven't pulled it yet according to online. So we should be able to grab this for $2.99. And then there is an Ibotta rebate for I think it's $1.50 back on one. It's a limit of one time, so we can grab one of these bottles for like a super cheap. So I'll throw up all the details here because I can't remember them all off the top of my head, but I'm going to grab one of these and do this deal. And I need some filler items for the mega sale, so I'm going to go grab those. So we need a couple of filler items to go in with our cart so that all will work out, because I'm only going to grab one of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the General Mills cereal bars in order to get an Ibotta rebate, and on top of it, Box Top app. I'm going to donate $5.50 because I'm going to get 5 of them. We're going to grab Cinnamon Toast, Fair Carmen, and Lucky Charms. And we can also get the Reese's if you want. So let's get 2 of the Reese's. Let's get 2 of the Reese's. One of those, get 2 of the Lucky Charms. All right, we got 5 boxes. Or we'll have them. Need one more. Get Lucky Charms. So do you like her braids? We're going to take them out and she's going to have crimpy hair.
Crimpy hair.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm ridiculously nervous because I do not want to spend too much money on this toilet paper. So hopefully it all works itself out. Let's do it.
Your total is 21. If you have coupons, your total is 13, 12. If you have coupons, press coupon. Otherwise,
And we did also have the General Mills $3 print for this, so pretty awesome. I can't believe it, but it did work. I am so excited. We got our toilet paper, 10 of them for 20 bucks, plus whatever tax, like 21 total. Right, Carmen, we excited?
Yeah!
Yeah, so excited! Oh my goodness, look at all this. Can you believe that was 20 bucks for all of that? Crazy! So I've got to get home and get this one ready for school, so we will go over the receipt at home and I'll show you all the details, but we're good to go, guys.
And we'll show you my braids.
Okay, we'll show you her braids too. I am still so excited. We just got home and I've been shaking because this deal was so amazing.
Why are you excited for toilet paper?
You got to be old to understand. All right, I just wanted to show you what happened here as far as what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be about $20. Of course, we had $1.20 worth of tax, so that is where I got $21.15 with the toilet paper and how it all came off, how it rang up with the weekly digital and the buy one, get one. So really, really awesome. You can grab up to 10 of them in the same transaction using the weekly digital and the buy one, get one sale. Next, I wanted to just show you here is the right here with the mega sale. So you can see the all 36 ounce free clear, $2.99. So that's with that $1 off. Remember, the weekly digital brought it down to $3.99, plus we had the $1 off. And so we did get that price. And then I did do the General Mills cereal bars. So that way I could, get the $3 Catalina and get 50 cents back from Ibotta on each one of them. And I'll also submit my receipt to the Box Top app, earning the school $5.50 in the process. So really amazing deals here. Just a reminder, with the glitch deals, they can pull things at any time. With the toilet paper, it's in the ad is buy one, get one. So they're probably going to pull it from the weekly digital first. And then with the all, it is in as the weekly digital. So they're probably going to pull it off the mega sale. So just keep that into consideration and always double check in store on your app before you make that purchase. And hopefully you're able to score. So we needed a hair check-in from Carmen now that she's got her, clothes on, getting ready to go to school. Check out this hair. Turn around, Carmen. Check out this curly, crimpy hair after those pretty braids. Keep going. There we go.